In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate EastWest Credit Card Online 2025. If your new card just arrived, the online activation takes only a few minutes, and I'll walk you through it from start to finish so you can start using your card right away. First, go to the official EastWest activation link. You can find it in your card's welcome materials or by navigating through the bank's official website and looking for the card activation page. Make sure you're on a secure connection. Look for the padlock icon in your browser and double check the web address to ensure it's the legitimate EastWest site. For the smoothest experience, use a private device on a trusted network rather than public Wi-Fi and have your card and phone nearby. Once you're on the activation page, enter the card details exactly as prompted. This typically includes the card number and other information the site requests to verify you're the authorized cardholder. Type the numbers carefully, avoid copying and pasting, and double check for transposed digits before you submit. Only provide information the page specifically asks for, and remember that you should never share your card PIN or any sensitive codes that aren't requested on the official form. If your browser offers to save the card details, consider declining on shared computers to keep your information secure. Next, follow the verification steps. Most customers will receive a one-time password sent by SMS to the mobile number registered with the bank. Keep your phone close and enter the code as soon as it arrives, since OTPs usually expire quickly. If you don't receive it right away, wait a moment, ensure you have signal, and use the resend option once if it's available. Don't share this code with anyone. Bank staff will never ask for it outside of the official page. If your mobile number has changed recently and the OTP doesn't arrive, you may need to update your contact details with the bank before activation can complete. Once your details and verification are confirmed, you'll see a message on screen indicating that your card is activated. You may also receive a confirmation via SMS or email. It's a good idea to note the confirmation message or take a quick screenshot for your records. If you encounter an error or the page times out, wait a bit and try again, ensuring your internet connection is stable. Persistent issues are best resolved by reaching out through the bank's official support channels found on their website. And that's it! Your EastWest credit card is now activated and ready to use.